I'm an ocean of love. You're scared of water. You don't want to go under, so you let me go under. I reach out my hand, but your words may grow distant. Drift me out in the sea and far away in an eastern. You left me in the deep end. I'm drowning in my feelings. How do you not see that? Now that you're gone,